I bet you didn't know broken ideas are actually secret blueprints. I don't think people understand how useful failure can be. Here's how to turn the mess into a map. Step 1. Reframe. Don't mourn the idea, interrogate it. Ask, which piece still excites me? Which assumption failed? Pick one tiny fragment that still glows. Treat it like the MVP. Step 2. Plan. Sketch one simple experiment you can run in a day or a week. What will you learn? What's the smallest win that proves the fragment scales? Set a deadline and a single metric. Step 3. Act. Ship the experiment. Collect feedback. Iterate. Celebrate the info, not the outcome. Repeat, reframe, plan, act. Broken idea. Raw data, waiting to be turned into something smarter. So don't bury the idea. Reframe it, plan it, act on it. You've got this.